Hello guys. May mga puno pa guys na pwedeng maakyat ng mga bata.
Alam ko ito. Baka hindi to. Forever green tree.
Opo.
Hindi dito sa Pilipinas. Meron itong bark.
Bark.
Forever green tree ito.
Siyempre,
Sa mga closed places ba yan?
may bark talaga yung tree. Hindi naman mabubuhay yan kung walang bark.
This one is a forever green tree. It's
Yan
not
ang
originated.
clubhouse guys. Clubhouse ng
Ah,
Richmond.
shoot.
Yan.
Yeah, this is the clubhouse. Hashtag school.
Hashtag. Yan.
Did you know before, guys, that it was a school?
Hmm.
Not a place for people to hang out.